So I'm going to walk you through how to create quiz assignments. So I'm going to create quiz assignment now. So this is the classwork feature. When you click on classwork, you click on create and you say quiz assignment. Then it creates a form um below the document. So I'm going to quickly take us to how to work with that form. Now I'm opening the form, and this is the outlook you get when you select your form. Now I want to iterate that when you want to set questions, try to if you're setting short answer questions, it is very advisable you don't activate it for them to see their grades after they have done that work or they've responded to those set of questions, because now under this quiz setting, you can set up different forms of questions here. So you can do from multiple choice to short answer to paragraphs to drop downs to file upload. So you may require them to um, you may upload files for them to respond to, or you may require them to upload files for you to view. There's the linear scale system, there's multiple grid, there's the checkbox, and if you are requesting a date of something or a time of something. So these are all forms of questions you can ask. And just as we know, Google Form was designed to take survey, not really to test quiz, but because of the demand for um, by teachers for virtual education and for people to be able to grade automatically, they were able to integrate that into the Google Classroom feature. So if I'm setting a multiple choice question, for example, that's my question, I set my options, etc., etc. I think everybody should be able to go through this. But what is important is how you set up what happens on your end, which is the response section, or how you set up your question. So I clicked on this settings button here on top of this page so that I can set up exactly what I want to happen with my quiz. So if you want to limit it to one response, if I click on this, it means the students will have to fill in their email addresses they logged onto the classroom with, and that email address will only be would only respond to this quiz once. The student will not be able to do that quiz more than one time using that email address. Now I can set it up that they can edit after they submit. So if you want them to edit after they submit, you want them to see the summary charts and text responses, you can set that up too. Then for the presentation, you can decide to show them a progress bar. You can shuffle the question order. And like I advised, the first question should always be their name, or their you can set up name and class. So it is not advisable you shuffle the order of the question if you are doing a multiple choice. Then show the link to submit another response. So do you want the students to be able to redo the test, or to be able to respond to the test multiple times? So you can activate or deactivate that. And this confirmation message is what they will see after they have done the quiz assignment. So then the quiz, you can set it up that should they see their grade immediately after each submission or later after you have reviewed it. Now, mind you, you are the class teacher, so you can you might want to look at their how they perform before you release the grades, especially if you set up short answer questions. Then you can set it up that they can see missed questions, or they can see um, the correct answers or the point values. So we are going to do this in two parts. So I'm going to just quickly um, round up on this video. Now, a lot of you click on this send when you are done. You don't need to. You can just preview the document after you said the question and simply save it. So we'll do continue in the next video.